Hi, my name is Akshay Sharma and today we are going to discuss about the concept of what is gitignore file and how to use it with example. So why do we need gitignore file? Suppose you are working with Node.js and when you use Node.js it will install node modules, so the size of the node modules is too much, so it's good to ignore those files because whenever you run you have to initialize npm and it will automatically create that folder when you want to use. So it's just a wastage of memory if you want to store it into the GitHub. So let's see an example. We have a git repo of merging different branch and we had cloned it into our local machine here. So let's make a folder of node module. So suppose in this we have a files which is created by npm for just suppose it, and let's go to git bash. If we see in our git status, you can see, okay, let's make a file over in the node module. And now you can see we had changes in the node module folder. So let's make a one more file outside it. So let's create a text file of name Akshay, and let's see git bash here, and let's see the status now. So you can see we had done two changes in our local machine. We had created an akshay.txt file in the main folder, and then we had made a file in our node.module. Now what we want to do is we want to ignore this folder. So what you have to do is just create a gitignore file by typing fetch.gitignore, press enter. It will create the gitignore file, and we want to ignore this folder. We don't want to uh, include this folder in our GitHub repository. So let's open this up using Notepad, and nothing to be done much. You just have to type the name of the folder you want to ignore. Okay, let's save it, and now let's check the status. You can see what gitignore has done. It has removed the node module folder here. So basically many developers face this problem of how to ignore the node module folder. So you can also ignore files also of like a particular type. If you want to ignore the text file, you can simply just type star, then dot, and then the type of that, then save it. And let's see if it works or not. Let's type git status again. Okay, we don't have any file of extension HTML. Let's create one first and then see if it works or not. So for that, you have to type git touch index.html and press enter. Now let's check the status. You can see the change we had done. We had created an HTML file, but it had ignored that file. So see how important is this git ignore. So that's the concept behind it. So thank you. Hope you like it.